So, welcome back sa ating channel, guys! I'm starting for cooking now. So, this is sausage, bacon, and eggs. So, this is for cold English foods. Yan. So, guys, this is cold English foods, guys. So, I'm sweeting already. Look. So, magpe-prepare ng bread, guys. Parang luto na yung eggs natin. Hanguin muna natin yung eggs. Lalagay ko muna itong tinapay pala. So, lalagay ko yung tinapay dito. So, nakapaglagay na tayo ng tinapay. So, mag-toasted tayo ng tinapay, guys. Ito yung tinapay, oh. Kasi wala yung Argentina. So, ito try namin to ngayon lang. Itong tinapay kung masarap pa. So, kukunin na natin yung itlog, guys. Parang luto na. Yung itlog, luto na, guys. So, ang ganda ng itlog, oh. Ang ganda ng itlog, guys. Hello, honey. My boss is here. Hello, boss. Look, my boss. Nakaubad pa si boss. Babalik ka rin ko yung bacon, guys. Hinahaan ko lang yung apoy kasi tumatalsik yung tumatalsik yung tawag dito, mantika. Wala sana ako sa mood mag-vlog, guys. Kasi wala namang kwenta yung ating vlog. So, ayan o, daming nakalagay dyan, guys. Yung mga kalat-kalat. Tingnan nyo, nakakalat yung kopi ko. Ayan. Kasi kagabi to siya naglagay, si Mr. naglagay. Pero sinaksak lang na dito. Ayan. Hindi sarap. Pinatong mo yan, pinatong, no? So, yun na itong bread, honey. What you eating? So, yan, nagpe-prepare na siya. She helping me dong. So, guys, tinutulungan na tayo ni ating boss manager. Bossing! Boss manager. Wait for your bacon dong. Not cooked yet. Huh? What one? Small one. Oh. Nabaliktad ko lang muna ito, guys. Yan. Babaliktad ko muna to. Wala sana akong gana mag-vlog kasi wala naman tayong ganap ngayon magluto. Ito lang yung ganap natin, no? Yung kasi yung mostly na tanong sa akin, ano yung kinakain ni Mr. dito sa Pilipinas. So, yung kinakain niya, guys, ito pa rin, yung English food. Hindi siya kumakain ng mga pagkain Pinoy like rice every day. He don't like that to eat. I put her on you. Okay. This is my soup last night, daily soup. Busy kami, guys. Busy kami mag-prepare ng pagkain. Busy kami sa kusina. This is break time ni Mr. So, ayan, nagluto tayo. Lapit na. Tapos, ayan yung tomato. Sabi ko, oh my God, you're putting this mushroom.
Yeah, what is this?
Ang dami, guys.
Mango sauce with my beans.
If man, you cook that first, then after that you wash it, then you cook beans next.
Okay. Need a spoon. That's not turned on.
Yeah, not turn on yet. Need to turn low. Yes. Wearing slippers eh. You don't know.
Bit of salt on the egg.
Wow. Guys, busy ngayon kami nagluluto ng ating pagkain. So, ito yung ganap natin ngayon sa ating video kasi ang most request, what foods he eat while here in the Philippines. So this is the foods for him. He doesn't eat rice, right, honey?
I have rice with the curry.
He doesn't eat rice. Very rare. If you cook rice with toppings, yeah, he eat. But if you cook rice plain, he won't eat. So this is additional foods for him, guys. Mushroom. Then tomato. Ng tomato. So I'm so sweating now, guys. No electric pan here at the back side.
I can't find the thingy.
No electric pan. May sounds pala dyan. Baka having a sounds there in the next house. So the copyrights. There are copyrights.
Don't to that.
There are copyrights that music. I wish not
It's in the background. So
heard in
you
the background.
Hey.
This is our
can...
life
these cooked yet?
in the Philippines. Simple living in the Philippines, guys. This is, look, that's enough bread for you.
Yeah.
Are you sure? You're not putting here another one, or
No, I don't need to. I've got two.
so enough that. So, babalik natin this bread. I'm so sweating.
Ouch.
Oh, so really hot in the Philippines. This is our life in the back kitchen. Cold, dirty kitchen. So guys, this is our
Keeping on
dirty
with
kitchen.
food.
Look at Nonoy staying there, hiding some
Right, we're British.
bodies.
Oh, they're boiling.
Yeah. How many minutes you break, honey? I'm sweating.
That's going a bit of a rush.
Oh my god, I'm sweating. So I'm so sweating, guys. Oh, the tomato is solid. So guys, yan yung
This, I
tomato.
don't know.
Tomato, bacon,
is it-
egg, bread. Let's cook. Oh,
It won't take 2 minutes and it'll be cooked.
cover it because it's oh. To more fire because the mushroom is not cooked yet. So guys, mamaya na lang babalikan ko kayo kasi magulo kami dito sa kusina. Nagpatintero kami dito sa kusina, guys. Kasi busy kami ka-prepare ng foods. So magulo ang kusina ngayon. So babalik ako mamaya. See you next episode again, guys. Nawawala na ako. Guys, tapos na pala si Mr. mag-prepare sa kanyang English food, right, honey? So,
Yeah, it's called
papakita.
English breakfast.
Yeah, English breakfast, guys. So, patingin ko sa inyo. I will show you, guys. English breakfast. Tomato, bacon, beans, egg, sunny side up, mushroom, sausage. So, guys, that's the problem. So, nagtapon. So, you miss
It's okay,
it.
I'll clean it after.
Tapos na si Mr. Tapos na magluto. So, pakulo tayo ng tubig para sa kopi. Kopi natin. So, kopi niya pala. Mag-kopi siya ulit. Natin tong oven toaster kasi nakaano yung ano niya. So, kailangan takpan natin ito. Tinatakpan ko. Tapos, pakulo tayo ng tubig para sa kopi niya. So, ito yung rice para sa akin. So, ang problema kasi dito, guys, yung isang saksakan lang dito sa kitchen. So, wala nang saksakan. So, dito lang talaga yung saksakan. So, nandito lahat. Yung oven toaster, yung kettle, tapos yung, ayan, tapos ito. So, nandito siya lahat. Kasi, ayan yung one. Isa lang yung saksakan niya dito sa kusina, sa likod. Yan, walang saksakan. So, ito lang yung saksakan niya. So, kaya nandito lahat yung ano natin. Tapos, yung kitchen pala dun sa loob, wala din saksakan. So, kailangan mo mag-extension. Wala yung saksakan dun sa ating kitchen sa loob. So, maliit ang kitchen dun guys. Hindi ka makagalaw ng maayos. So, dito kami dito lahat yung namin gamit sa kusina. Kasi, mas malawak dito. Nakita nyo. So, ayan. Ayan. Parang extend lang to. Extension yung kitchen. So, hindi na namin to ginagamit yung mesa dito. Doon na si Mr. kumakain sa loob. Dito na siya kumakain sa loob. You know. So, yun. Yan siya guys. So, yung kitchen pala dito guys, walang extension. Yan o, walang extension. Yan. Yan, yung ating kitchen. So, mayroon dyan, fuse. Ang tawag dito. Ito yung on-off na fuse. So, yan. Pero yung saksakan ng mga electric things, wala. Nothing. So, kaya dito sa extension sa likod. So, dito kami nagluluto. Uli, liligpitin natin itong mga kalat natin kasi dami na mga kalat. Mamaya maghuhugas na naman tayo guys. Marami tayong kalat. Dami na naman dito. Abubot, ayusin ko ito mamaya guys. Kasi kagabi kami namili. So si Mr. lang niya dito. Dami kong liligpitin again. So guys, ako kakain na po. So yung ulam ko pala is sinigang na salmon belly. Tapos ito yung hotdog, mushroom konti, tapos rice, tapos coffee. So come on guys, let's eat guys. Put this on your coffee. Kain po tayo. It looks dark, honey. Sinigang na sa bili, masarap. Delicious. Sinigang. Tapos mga gulay. Yan. Beans. So, yan guys. Yung ating, oh, come on, let's eat. Wow, you a lot of drinks doon ha. Carl naglagay ng Coke, tsaka Pocahontas with sa fridge. Honey, bring that fruits here. Inside. So, mayroon kaming biniling pomelo. Masarap yun guys. Kain po tayo. Sarap po yung kain natin ngayon. May sabaw. Dessert na. What other dessert, honey? Can I show you then? Wow, it's nice dessert. So after breakfast, so you have dessert. So guys, ito pala yung so leftover.
Oh my god. What?
Pomelo. Yan.
Hey.
Yan. Pomelo.
No. Ouch.
So, nag-away sila ng pusa niya. So guys, ito yung dessert natin. Si Mr. Goldilocks, crema de fruta. Come on guys, we eat. continue our eating. Kunti lang. Sarap ng sinigang. With salmon belly. Mataba.
Masha. There you go. Look, there you go.
Gusto. Jerome. Rob. Ano
I can't
yun?
eat anything. Want some of my coffee too? Oh, I've only got 10 minutes left in my break. Yeah, wait,
Matinik.
wait.
Bone.
You got a bone?
Hmm.
Yeah.
May bone guys.
I've broken the box here.
Sarap ng mushroom. Fried mushroom. Kain po tayo. Gutom na. Late na yung breakfast. Late na yung breakfast natin guys kasi mostly if we awake in the morning so we made only some drinks. Some coffee. Or coffee lang.
Yeah.
Snow play to everyone. So hello guys, finish na kami kumain with Snoopy na ng Snoop. Kaduling na Snoopy. Snoop, fish Snoop. Oh my god. Guys, after eating, so we're relaxing. No Snoop. After relaxing, so we can do our dishwashing. So guys, after meals, after breakfast, so relaxing. Then after relaxing, so we can do our dishes. Because we have a lot of dishes. Right, Snoop? Dishes and cookware. So we need to do that later. Right, Snoop? Hello everyone. I am Snoopy. Snoopy is special cat. This is different cat. So sila po, yung pusa, pag madaling araw o hating gabi, pinagdidiskitahan yung Christmas tree, Christmas ball. Halos wala na po yung balls. Nandun na sa nilagay ko kasi gabi-gabi pinaglalaroan nila, tapos sa umaga ang daming nahuhulog na mga balls dito sa floor, pati yung mga palamuti sa sa Christmas tree, ubos nila at pitas. Tapos umaakyat sila sa Christmas tree, kaya hindi namin binalik yung Christmas ball ngayon kasi nahirapan na kami kakabalik everyday. Yung ginagawa na lang football yung Christmas balls, kaya hindi muna namin binalik, nilagay namin dito guys. So yan yung pupusa natin, all of them, they're picking our Christmas balls. So guys, disaster. Look, disaster. Snoop, sino nagawa dito ng Christmas tree natin? Every night, every morning. Si Snoopy hindi yan kasi nasa kwarto yan namin, hindi yan gumagalaw. Hindi yan salbahe. Itong pusa hindi siya salbahe. Itong mga pusa na mga malalaki na to ubos nila pitas. Si Carlos ang mahilig dito, yung kapon natin na yung kapon nating pusa, kinapon natin yung dalawang pusang lalaki. Ayun, ang ligalig. Pinitas niya lahat yung bola dito, halos. Yung inakyat nila pati yung star na yun guys, yung star sa gitna, tinanggal din niya, nahulog na dito sa gitna. Kaya wala na tayong magagawa, kaya hindi ko na muna binalik yung Christmas ball. Kailangan natin harangan yung ating Christmas tree. Kakaloka itong mga pusa natin. Paano 10 cats sila guys. So lahat yan, open sila sa loob ng bahay, open din sila sa backyard, open sila dito, lumabas pasok. Dito lang sila kasi naman to, mayroon gate, tapos mayroon naman wall. So, hindi sila makaka-trespassing sa other house. Sila nagpupunta sa ibang house. So, doon sila sa bubong, maakyat yung mga lalaking pusa. Ganun guys. See you next episode again, guys. See you next episode. So guys, mamaya mag-ano tayo, maghugas ng plato, tapos mag-ano tayo, magpo-fold tayo ng ating labahin. Tapos yung ating punda, binilad ko sa araw. Tapos nilaban ko yung sapin ng pundan, yung ang tawag dito, pillowcase. Nandun pala yung ating unan. So guys, ayun yung ating unan, wala ng araw pala. So ayun yung ating unan. Yan. Muna yung unan noon, no? Unan dito sa ating sofa. So walang unan dito sa ating sofa. So binilad natin yung unan kasi nilabhan ko yung pillowcase. So ganun guys. Yun ang ating gagawin ngayon guys, kaya yun yung muna yung vlog natin. Sinabi ko na lang yung ating vlog ngayon ay ating gagawin mamaya kasi baka mapahaba na naman yung ating video guys. Kaya babay muna guys. Ayun na yung ating gagawin mamaya. Kaya babay muna. Salamat uli and God bless everyone. Pahinga lang muna kami ni Snoopy kasi kakakain lang namin. Tapos, ayun na naman sa next episode natin sa ating mga gawaing bahay. Kaya bye-bye. God bless. Bye, Snoop. Bye, everyone.